Hey there, it's Anne. Another beautiful day in my part of the world, but let's go inside and do some work on our painting. Meet you there. Hi there, and we're back to our bowl of blueberries, and today I'm going to put in some more purpley touches. And then as we're working, most of those will probably get lost, but for now, I kind of want a hint of purple. We will worry about giving these some more shape later. Down here I'm going right over the blue with the purple. These berries are kind of in the shade, so they're darker. There you can see we've just kind of got a mess of purple berries at this point. But tomorrow we will come back and hopefully we can turn them into a bowl of blueberries. See you then. And there you go, as easy could be. Anybody can do this. Please try it. In the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe, all the good things. And remember that Denny and I love and appreciate every one of you. Bye for now.